This little boy is Steven, one of our Fuzzy Wuzzy babies. Oh, come here, Steven. Come back over here. He's the last one available in his litter. What do you think, Steven? Huh? He's a golden white. And if I can catch him here, he's a little excited. He just got out from having a bath, so he's glad to be out from underneath the dryer. We try to give our babies a bath about every 14 days or so. Come here, baby. Here, come here. I want them to see your coloring. He's going to stay a little bit gold. He's not going to lighten up too much, I don't think, but he will lighten up some. His favorite place is to be in your lap. He's probably going to be about 12 pounds full grown. Hands are cute, Steven. Steven. Says, oh, I'm free. I'm out of the dryer. He was in there probably for, I don't know, 15 minutes, and they don't like it in the dryer. Give me a Steven. Good boy. Good boy. And he knows his name. He's doing great as far as getting potty trained. He's doing a good job. Keeps coming over here to my lap to get loved on. They love to be held. And he settles right down in my lap. But that's a little picture of Steven. Or video of Steven. Come on, Steven. Come on. Here. He keeps coming to me. Oh, here. You can't go over here to me. You gotta come over here, baby. They don't want you to see you on me. They want to see you on you. They want to see you playing. Play, Steven, play. There he goes, maybe. No, back over here to me. Anyway, that's little Steven. Well, and like I said, he'll be about 12 pounds. He's ready to go home at any time. And if you're interested in him, feel free to visit FuzzyWuzzyPups.com. And all of our babies come microchipped, up to date on the shots, and a 5-year health warranty. We can also have him neutered prior to him coming home if you like. Thanks for visiting our video. Bye-bye.